as a part, the first batch of the regular course of the Indian Military Academy.
To be in the artillery branch of the Indian Army, was that your own choice, or that people were selected by the academy itself, you know?
This is also a very interesting question. I was very keen to join the artillery. It was my personal choice. And
why was Napoleon your hero or something?
one of the reasons I think was, is very interesting also, that the British Indian Army, they did not take the Indian officers of that time into the artillery, because they said it was a very technical branch of the army. And there were very few Indian officers in the Indian artillery. So I took it as a challenge also, rather quietly in my mind. What the hell? Why can't I be one of those? So I asked for artillery. I remember Tikka Khan, General Tikka Khan at that time. Captain Tikka Khan was also one of the instructors. He was a gunner. So I went to him. I said, I want to join the artillery. Will you help me when they make the selection? He said, yes, he will help me. He did help me also. One of the things I want to mention in this regard is this, that when I joined the Indian Military Academy, I was hardly playing any games. I mean, I didn't know. After having been commissioned, I want to mention another interesting thing. We were sent, all those who joined the artillery, went to the artillery center at Mathura.
Mathura.
So Mathura.
Mathura is the central provinces?
No, United Provinces.
United Provinces.
That was the field artillery center. So what I want to mention here is that the officer who was made in charge of us subalterns, his name was Major Habibullah, Major Malik Habibullah. Major Malik Habibullah belonged to Dulmiyal, and he was an Ahmadi. 3 officers who became officers when the war started, their name was Major Habibullah, Captain Nizamuddin, father of Brigadier Iqbal, late, and Captain Umar Hayat, father of Commander Yusuf, late. They were considered, in fact, in their own right, the fathers of artillery, and all the 3 Ahmadis. So this was a distinction which the Ahmadis had. Major Habibullah lived till very late. Actually, he died at the age of 100 or so, and he was very, very greatly honored by the artillery regiment.
May I?
होती थी, यानी आप यकीन मानिए जब पाकिस्तान बना है तो 5 जो डिवीजन थे उनके जो सीनियर इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर थे वो 5 एमडी थे। आप एक मैं यहाँ था, फिर आपने ब्रिगेडियर क्या कौन से हजूर के रिसार्च रिश्तेदारी भी थी आज लाहौर में फौत हुए पिछले साल,
वकील ज़मान
मुझसे जूनियर थे। एक में वो थे, एक में जनरल बशीर थे, 3, और एक में वो थे अपने ब्रिगेडियर शमीम जो अपने उसमें रहे हैं फाउंडेशन, और ये 4 हुए, यानी 5 थे, हम 5 के 5 एमडी थे। अब इससे ही आप अंदाजा कर लें कि ये एतमाद किस लिहाज से था, यानी उनको अगर बढ़ गया कि नहीं ऐसी तैसी। तो कई ऐसे वाक़यात हुए, कभी बीच में आगे पीछे जिक्र करूंगा, तो इस किस्म के उस वक्त दुख होता था जी। तो
मुस्लिमों के इस बारे में
हदायत, यानी उनका तो ये था, यानी उस वक्त भी ये था कि भाई आर्मी में जितने ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं करें अहमदी, और हुजूर की बात 100% वो ठीक थी कि उसके नतीजे में जो ट्रेनिंग वहाँ हुई और जो अहमदियों ने किरदार दिखाया वो लोगों पे बहुत अच्छा असर पड़ा, और उसी में से आए आपने अख्तर हुसैन साहब, अब्दुल अली मलिक और जंजुआ, और इसी तरह और लोअर लेवल पे भी, यानी ये بعد میں دیکھا کہ انگریز افسر بھی کہتا تھا کہ احمدی افسر اچھی اس پہ اعتبار کرو. ریپرزینٹیو یہ تو بہت بڑی دنیا کی فرم ہے، جو پرابلمز ہوتی ہیں ان کے لیے وہ کر دیا. تو یہ پھر وہ جنرل شاہد حامد آ گئے، انہوں نے کہا میرے ساتھ آ جاؤ، میرے سیکٹری ہو جاؤ. وہ ان کی فیکٹری تھی اور اسپارک پلگ تھی. تو یہ نہیں، اللہ تعالیٰ وہ سبب پیدا کرتا گیا. تو یہ پھر اس کے بعد بچہ یہ منصور
جی جی
یہ کالج میں پڑھ رہا تھا، سر سید کالج میں اسکول میں. تو ایک دن وہ چٹھی لے کے کہ ابا جان یہ چٹھی میرے جواب آ